Have a slow leak? Or maybe you see a screw in one of your tires? Come to Berger and we'll patch it up for you. If you have a leak in one of your tires, it's important to address it before major damage happens. You don't always have to replace your leaking tire if you catch it in time. Sometimes all it takes is a tire patch repair, and that's where we come in. At Berger, we'll patch your tire and set your tire pressure for you. Follow me. In order to patch your tire, we first locate the puncture and remove your wheel. Then, we remove the tire and make sure it's fully deflated. After removing the cause of the puncture, it is smoothed and sanded. We then use adhesive to apply the patch and apply pressure to make sure it sticks. Finally, rubber is applied to the patch and the wheel is realigned. Lastly, the tire is reattached and we reset your tire pressure for you. It's as simple as that. Still have questions? Give us a call at 616-949-6344. We'll see you soon.